Greetings and salutations wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the 5th episode of the Cybersecurity Investigator, the Analyst's Guide to Staying Ahead. I thank you all for listening. Make this topic easy to understand by all. Welcome to the investigation setting the stage today. We're going to tackle a problem that's been lurking in the shadows of the cybersecurity industry for years, the technical divide. It's the invisible wall that separates us, creating a hierarchy that values some skills over others. It's the reason why a network engineer might see a GRC professional as non-technical, or why a security analyst might feel their work is somehow less hardcore than a penetration tester's. This episode will challenge that narrow definition of technical and reveal how this false dichotomy harms our teams, our careers, and our organizations. We'll explore why a GRC professional's work is just as technical as a reverse engineer's, just in a different way. We'll also examine the unifying frameworks that can bridge this gap and provide a common language for every member of a security team. Our goal is simple: to help you understand that a truly effective cybersecurity team is a unified front, not a collection of silos. We'll show you how communication isn't a soft skill, but a crucial technical competency, and how embracing a more holistic view of our roles can make us all more effective investigators and defenders. 2. The Invisible Wall, a crisis of identity in cybersecurity. 6th. The path forward, bridging the divide. The cybersecurity profession stands at a critical juncture, held back by an internal crisis of identity rooted in a narrow, outdated definition of technical. The friction between roles, from the GRC professional to the firewall engineer, is a false dichotomy that undermines the collective strength of an organization's defense. A comprehensive analysis reveals that every role, regardless of its focus, is fundamentally technical, possessing a unique and valuable blend of strategic, tactical, and human skills. The path forward lies in a universal adoption of the foundational frameworks and a renewed commitment to clear, empathetic communication. Frameworks like NIST and ISO 27001 are not just for compliance. They are a universal operating system that provides a common language and a structured guide for every security function, from penetration testing to incident response. By viewing these frameworks as a unifying blueprint rather than a bureaucratic checklist, teams can align their efforts and understand how their individual contributions fit into the larger security program. For the cybersecurity investigator, the most powerful tools are MITRE ATT&CK and MITRE D3, FEND. By understanding the symbiotic relationship between the attacker's playbook and the defender's manual, an investigator can transform their work from a reactive response to a proactive, systematic, and highly effective defense. This synthesis of offensive and defensive knowledge, grounded in a universal language, is the key to building resilient security programs. Ultimately, the true strength of a cybersecurity team is not in the individual brilliance of a single expert, but in its ability to function as a unified front. The ideal cybersecurity professional is T-shaped, with deep specialization in their domain and a broad foundational understanding of the entire security ecosystem. By moving beyond the internal tribalism and embracing communication as a core technical skill, the profession can transcend its invisible walls and present a unified, resilient, and highly effective defense against the threats of today and tomorrow. Thank you for listening to this episode of Cybersecurity Investigator, the Analyst's Guide to Staying Ahead. I hope this discussion empowers you to see the value in every role and to become a bridge builder within your own organization. Join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. Until then, stay curious, stay critical, and stay ahead.